Today, we're making a luscious mint chocolate chip nice cream using just 3 simple ingredients that bring frozen garden magic to your kitchen. Forget high sugar counts. This treat is sure to please your taste buds without the guilt. We're going to start with frozen banana slices. These beauties create a creamy base that gives our nice cream that ice cream-like texture. Next up, we'll be adding fresh mint leaves or pure mint extract to give it that refreshing flavor. And to sweeten things up without any added sugar, we'll sprinkle in some stevia. It's magic. Now let's blend. We'll add the banana slices into the blender along with our mint and stevia. We want to blend until we have a smooth, pale green soft-serve texture that's simply irresistible. Once blended, it's time for the fun part, stirring in some cacao nibs or your favorite chocolate chips for that delightful crunch and minty chocolate combo. Yum! Now for the serving. Scoop your nice cream into adorable bowls or cones, garnishing with a sprig of fresh mint for that perfect touch. It's not just a treat, it's a celebration of flavor. Cool down the natural way. Try this recipe and subscribe to Allie's Leaf Lab for more sweet, plant-based surprises. Enjoy.